Hello my friends, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are all doing well. Most importantly, hope you guys are all trying to stay safe. It is very important. I am drinking my water. I've got lots of water here. I have my Centrum over 50. I take one of these every single day. I have my thermometer. I'm taking my temperature. I got my hand sanitizer. I've got my mask and I've got some gloves in here. Oh my God, you just can't be too careful. This is my herbal tea that I'm drinking. This is from Caudalie. This is the, what is this one? It's the organic herbal tea. I do have my Twigs CALM chamomile in vanilla. I'm drinking this as well. Most importantly, I have my dandelion root. This is a dandelion, fennel and ginger infusion tea. I drink my lemon and water every morning I get up, and I try to make sure I drink one of these teas throughout the day just to help with my system. Drink my water, and you gotta really help yourself. I'm going to link these things below for you guys, and I got my thermometer from Amazon, so I'm going to link this below for you guys, so just in case you want to pick up on one. It's not just about staying at home and isolating yourself, it's about what you do while you're at home, because eventually you're going to have to go out in public, and you want to be able to make sure that you are healthy as much as possible. The immune system needs to stay up and stay strong, so just try really hard and take care of yourself. I'm going to link all these things in the description box for you guys. So this is just a stay at home simple makeup look for you guys. So we're just gonna get started. It is a very rough time we're living in. It is a very difficult time, and nobody knows when this is going to end. So we just have to play it by ear and just see how this goes. So I've already done my eyebrows, and this is eyebrow cream from Shien. This is 01 black something. It's going to be linked below for you guys. It was linked in the last video. And that's what I use on my brows. And this is the NARS Chestnut concealer. This is what I do have under the eyebrows. And I do have my MAC. I have my MAC Peach Lustre here. And we are just going to do some color correcting. So I would love to hear what you guys are doing to stay safe from this virus. Please leave me a comment below. I am due to fly to Canada in a couple of weeks. I know the Canadians are very, very strict with travel. You are only allowed in the country if you are a Canadian citizen or a permanent resident. So I am good. I make sure I call the hotel. My reservation is still booked. And so far my flight is okay. People are complaining that it's really hard to get through to Expedia, but I mean, they can only deal with so many people at a time. I think they're only dealing with people who are traveling between now and the 19th of March, and then they're going to be dealing with people after that, because you know, you just can't. I mean, you understand that people are really worried, but on the other hand, we have to try to be patient too. So we are color corrected. I think I'm going to be working on the face right now. I'm going to be using this palette from Juvias place. This is a festival palette, and this is the only palette that I do have from Juvias place. Let me just try to find my, I'm just going to use this eyeshadow primer potion from Decay and put a little bit of this over my eyes. Where I live here in the UK, I see a car every 3 hours. It is so funny because nobody is out. And I think it's a really good thing. But I have to say this though, that I mean, human beings, we are really the culprit when it comes to diseases, because I have been out in public so many times in the toilets, and I've seen people walk into the toilet, walk out, didn't wash their hands. And so many times I've been to, just recently I went to Stratford, to the Westfield Mall, and I went into the toilet, and this lady walked out, did not wash her hands. And I'm thinking to myself, okay, you went into the toilet and you walked straight out. You have to go touch some clothes in a store. You have to go to the grocery store, touch a box of something. You have to push a button to put your PIN number in to pay for something. You have to touch a pole. And this is how diseases spread, because people are just nasty, okay? They are just horrible people. So anyways, makes me mad. So this is the palette right here. And I think I'm going to use this pinky color. I can't even say the names of these colors. And I'm just going to use this as a transition. And I think I want to do something pinky. Let me try and use a different blender brush here. There we go. This is much better. I have been in the medical field for such a long time, and I'm so used to washing my hands all the time, so it comes like second nature to me. But I mean, I don't think people have to wait until the government says or the health department says to wash your hands. Why do you have to wait for them to tell you that when you should know wash your hands as often as possible? I think it makes a lot of sense, and people are such problematic people when it comes to spreading diseases. But I hope this will be a lesson to a lot of people that you gotta keep those hands clean. So this color, you know, the name of the color is actually on here, but I really can't say it, and I'm not gonna butcher the name. So I love the way this is looking right now. This lovely transition color. And we're just gonna blend for a couple more seconds. So I wanna do something pink. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use this pink color right here. It's called Irie, whatever that is. I know I probably said that wrong. And it's a pink in the middle. And we're just gonna start building right now. I love that pink color. It's not very bright, but the pigment is really nice. And you can go in as bright as you want. And I think this is just about what I like right now. Okay, I like that. Let's just go in a little bit more. I have never done a pink makeup look before. Never ever have I done that. Let me just take a brush, and I'm going to use my Revolution Iconic palette. I love this palette so much because the colors are so nice. And I'm just going to take this soft brown color in the corner. I've used this before. And I just want to, you know, just keep this in the corner neat. So I'm going back to Juvia's Place palette here. And there's a black color in the corner. And let's just see, it's almost like a gray color. Just pull this out a little bit here. I think that should be okay for now. Now this pink eyeshadow came in one of my beauty boxes. I am not even quite sure, but I'm just going to use this. I'm going to link the name in the description box for you guys. So let me just find a small brush. And we're just going to put this on the lid. So let's clean up our sides right now, and we're just going to use this Fashion Fair concealer. So let's go in with a black eyeliner, and this is the one from the Collections Beauty brand. We are going to use this mascara from Shien. I showed you guys this before. I just love the packaging of this. So we're going to put a little bit of this on them lashes, and then we're going to go in with the falsies. The mascara is not bad at all. So let me just use my Mellow Cosmetics black eyeliner, and I just want to just make this a little darker in the corner. So what I'm going to do next is this. I'm just going to take my gel eyeliner. I got this from wish.com a long time ago. A very tiny brush, and I'm just going to darken just in here. And there we go. Let me get my lashes on. These lashes are from Benefit, and I shall pop back in 1 second. So the lashes are on, and again, these are from Benefit. These are the push-up lashes. And the reason why I like these so much is because they are not black, they are brown. Let me just show you guys closely what it looks like. Hope you guys can see that. Hope it's focusing. There we go. They are brown, they are not black. Okay, focus camera, focus. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to this pink eyeshadow, and I'm going to take a brush, and I'm just going to bring this down just in the corner right here. Just like so. So I've already color corrected, so we are gonna go in with foundation. This is medium dark 2. This is from NARS, and I'm just revisiting a lot of my old stuff that I do have, and I'm going to be using this blending brush from, I got it from Superdrug. I'm not quite sure the brand of it, but I'm gonna shake this a little bit. I love the way the eyes are looking, nice soft pink. And we are just gonna go in with some foundation now. Put a little bit on the hand. Let me just wipe this off quickly. And we are going to start blending. I actually forgot how nice this foundation is. Nice match for my skin. Love that. So I'm just going to take a beauty blender, and I am going to go in with my Sacha Buttercup powder. I'm not going to put on any concealer today, but I just want to be able to give under my eyes a little highlight. So this is my powder right here. I have not used this powder in a long time. I'm just going to tap that off, and I'm just going to go like this, just under the eyes. Just so I can have a little bit of highlight under my eyes, because just remember, it's a stay-at-home makeup look today. So I'm just going to blend this out. So this just gives me a little bit of highlight under my eyes, because of course I'm not going anywhere, I'm at home. This is the Sephora Mattifying Compact Powder in Deep. And I'm just going to take a, as you can see, down to the pan. I'm not giving up in this powder. And I'm just going to powder my face right now. So that's all I really need for powder right now. That is not looking too bad. So we're just gonna go in with the lip balm. So this is my pink lip liner from Revolution. Let me just sharpen this a little. And then I'm going to take my Chestnut lip liner from MAC, and I'm just going to go in and line as well. And this lipstick is from NYX. The name is going to be linked below for you guys. It's the Butter Gloss lipstick. And this just goes in the center. Smells amazing. I think I'm going to use my lip brush and blend this out. Doesn't look too bad. This is the collection's Prime and Ready Matte Makeup Fixing Spray. And then I'm just going to go in with my collection pressed powder and just go over one last time. Very nice. So let's just do something with the hair now. And of course, you guys know I love to spray my hair with the Herbal Essence spray. This is a repair one. And just go in with a little bit of a mist. And again, this smells amazing. And we are just going to brush the hair down. What do you guys think so far? So we are done, guys, with the makeup today. What do you think? I really like this soft pinkness that's happening right now. Nice soft pinkness on the eyes, nice soft pink on the lips. Very nice. Easy to do. And I just used the Sachet Buttercup powder just to give me some slight highlight under the eyes. It's not a bad makeup look just to stay at home to work in your office. This is really pretty. And I do hope you guys enjoy this video. Leave me your comments below. Let me know what you think of this at-home makeup look today. I certainly like it. This floss, no, this is the MAUI eyeshadow. I think that's what it is, but it's going to be linked below for you guys. Again, it came in a beauty box, and then I went in with the, excuse me, I went in with the Festival palette from Juvias Place. And yeah, that's it. I love the pink lipstick from NYX. It's all going to be linked below for you guys. And that's it for today's video. All of my at-home goodies, self-care things will be left below for you guys as well. All the teas that I'm drinking, my water, my hand gel, my thermometer, everything is going to be linked below for you guys, because again, you have to take care of yourself while being at home. So this is the end of the video. Hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. I hope you enjoyed this look as well. Again, let me know your thoughts. Leave me your comments below. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Odette. I shall see you next time. And by the way, guys, I'm going to try to get a picture of my outfit. It's going to be somewhere up here for you guys in the picture, just in case you want to pick up on this jumpsuit. And it's from Shien.com, I think it is. It's going to be somewhere in the screen for you guys. So thank you guys for watching. Lovely to see you guys. Thank you for spending this time with me today. Shall see you guys next time. Toodles. Bye.